How to close Mbank account? Close Al Maryah Community Bank account in UAE. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can close Mbank account. So for that, first of all, you need to check for online closure. Like first check if your specific Mbank account type allows for online closure via the mobile app. Many banks, including some that operate in the UAE, offer online or mobile account closure options. And if online closure is available, log into your Mbank app mobile app, navigate to the more or service section, locate the option for close relationship with bank or similar, follow the on-screen instructions which may include transferring any remaining balance. Confirm your request to close the account, and if online closure is not available, you have to contact Mbank customer service via phone or visit a branch. You may need to schedule an appointment for closure. And for business account, you might need to provide documents like company stamp and signatures of authorized individuals. Ensure any remaining balance is transferred to another account. And the required document is for personal accounts. You may need to provide identification, or you may need to fill up a form like this one and or like this one. So for business account, you might need to provide documents like company stamp and signatures and authorized individuals. For business account, you may need documents like company stamp, signatures, and authorized representative, or potentially a letter confirming the closure. And be aware that there may be a notice period required before the account can be closed. The period can be 5 business days, for example. Once the account is closed, you should receive confirmation from Mbank either electronically or by mail. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.